A fleet maintenance manager was searching for a fleet servicing company to maintain and repair his company fleet of heavy-duty trucks.
I need to find a fleet maintenance company which can provide me the services of dealership at great prices. Dealerships are expensive and not sure about the quality of work done by local unauthorized heavy-duty truck repair shops.
Unable to find a solution, he went to his friend for suggestion. He suggested that he should contact GB Truck and Diesel, who are based out of Edmonton, as we have been using their services for many years for our heavy-duty truck fleet maintenance. They are an authorized Cummins dealer, so their work is backed by Cummins and they are more economical than dealerships.
Wow, it seems GB Truck and Diesel is a solution to both my problems. Cummins authorized dealership and better rates than dealership.
For all your heavy-duty truck fleet maintenance and repair requirements, call us.
Learn more on our website now.